Hey guys, it's me Levon, Loaded Operator 7, and today I'm doing something a little different. This is my vintage travel trailer. I believe it's a 1961 Kenskill. I know it's a Kenskill. I don't know exactly, I don't know the exact year, but I had to take this to California Highway Patrol, have a new tag put on it because they had absolutely no information on this trailer because it was so old. I purchased this trailer about 15 minutes north of the Mexican border when I lived in LA, and it's been with me for quite some time now. I want to say about 8 to 10 years it's been with me. I love this trailer. Super cute, super comfortable, and it's pretty sturdy for being so old. Let me give you guys a quick rundown on everything about this trailer. It's got a 3-burner stove that works totally fine. It has a lantern that is also gas operated, but I've taken that out, but I could add it back again because I still saved it. Let's show you these cool features. So 22 states of what I know it's been to. We got Florida, we got Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, don't know, Plymouth, Mass. We got I want to say this is, can't really tell. I could probably figure out based on the shape of the state. God. I can't tell. I can't tell what this one is. There's another one here. There's another one here that's faded away. This is North Carolina. This is Great Smoky Mountains National Park. And I want to say that that's Colorado. We got the birthplace of the Liberty Bell. That is Pennsylvania, I believe. I can't tell what this one is. This is New Jersey, the Garden State. Can't tell, can't tell. There's another one over here, it's faded away. I can't tell, can't tell. Another one here, it's faded away. Another one here, it's faded away. This says Virginia, Alabama, and we got Palm Springs. So that alone is 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And there could probably be some that are all faded away. 22 states for sure that this little bad boy has traveled to, and I wish I was those people to have had that type of freedom. If you got kids, you know, you don't even have enough freedom to go to the bathroom comfortably. But this is my little access door for a 110 volt adapter. You can plug into any outlet, and you can juice up the whole thing with that. This is my water. You fill it up and then you pressurize it with some air, but I've removed the tank because it was all rusted out, and I've replaced it with storage space. This is a bathroom window. I'll show you from the inside. I replaced my markers in the back. These are called birthday cake lights. Huge storage space. Original window, original vent, and original kitchen vent. This window used to have an air conditioner hanging out of it, so it was done. It was, all the innards were gone, so I replaced it with an insulated window, and it actually came out pretty cool. I got to move my jacks so that they sideways and not sticking out like this. It's a rookie mistake that I made when I first bought it, but you know what, no biggie. I can always flip them to the side. You could also put a motorcycle or a mountain bike on this thing, which is pretty cool. This side, it's got a vent for the bunk bed. Huge windows. This thing's got a lot of windows for being such a small little trailer. This was a refrigerator, and this was also refrigerator vents, but those are completely blocked off because, as you'll see, I've yanked out the refrigerator and replaced it with something pretty cool. I hope I got enough lighting in here. Hey Larry, look, I even got the same step stool as you got. So, this is my little Kenskill trailer on the inside. Let's see if I can get some more light for you guys here. What I've done is I've added this little potbelly stove, which was given to me by a good friend of mine named Troy, and he has a huge farm. Met him on Craigslist. He's been a really cool friend of mine ever since. He gave me a welder. He's given me a whole bunch of stuff that's made my life a lot more easier living up here, being more self-sufficient. But I have yet to put there's a ceramic backing that you put on that back wall to make it more fireproof. That's concrete board that's there, so that's working. I haven't punched through the roof yet. All of this wood is also going to be replaced with some stainless steel or some type of, I'm going to insulate the inside of it and then put stainless steel over the top of it. And this thing is vented from the outside, so it's drawing all the air in from, there's a pipe underneath there that leads to the bottom of the fireplace, and it's drawing air from the outside, so it won't use up your oxygen on the inside. It's pretty cool. These mattresses, you could actually take them apart. There's two of them. You can put one of them up here into the bunk bed, which I'm currently using for blankets, pillows. That's my mom and dad's photo album. I vacuum sealed these blankets in one of those space bags. Got my old guitar over there. That's got diapers and wipes and all kinds of, it's got some of my clothes in there as well, just in case you gotta get out of town quickly or make an emergency exit. There's all our music. It's all on MP3s, and just a couple of things like emergency packed bag right there for the kids clothing. It's my thermos. Again, in here there's more blankets, and we got some games in here like backgammon. We got chess for me and the wife. We got Battleship, and all these really cool toys. Checkers. This is a double cabinet, which is pretty big. It's got my jacket. It's got my some components for the stove in case we need to make it work out when we hit the road and come into some cold temperatures. We can definitely just punch a hole through that thing and get it to go. This is my bathroom, which is pretty cool. It's brand new Thetford toilet, has never been used. This thing is spanking new. Still got the instructions inside. There's the solution. They got plenty of storage space, which is full of TP back there. A nice big mirror over here and a big mirror over there. And a 3-burner stove, which has got a whole bunch of crap on it. Some plates. I got a 3-burner stove over here. Put some of this crap away. I was looking for some things, that's why it's all in a... Got a oven, which you can make a pizza in. Pretty cool. And then all our storage and stuff right there, which holds like salt and pepper. We got soap. We got all these knickknacks that are in there, which we need for the kitchen. And that's all more knickknack storage over there. Up here it's kitchen stuff. So we got plates, and there's my mom's mortar and pestle. Some salt and checks. There's my rain gears up here. And then some candles, mac and cheese for the kids, and some cereal for the kids, some cups and utensils and spices and some mugs and whatnot. But there's a whole ton of lighting up here, which is pretty cool. Let's see, this guy still works. It sure does. That lights up my kitchen area. So if you need to make a cup of tea in the evening or something or other, you can go ahead and heat that up. But it's pretty cool. I love it. It's definitely a sturdy trailer. It's got a lot of good bones in it. The roof vent was on an open position, so you got a little bit of moisture damage right here in the cabin. Nothing you can't sand and restain. Same thing on that side, but other than that, this thing is solid. It's got really good bones, and that's awesome for being such an old trailer. But yeah, that's it. Before it gets any darker, I'm going to call it quits to this video, or before my battery dies on my GoPro. I've made like 5 takes for this video, and if it wasn't my daughter coming and interrupting the video, my battery died or something or other happened to this video I've been trying to make on this trailer. So I'm gonna call it quits while I still got it. So any questions or comments, leave them below. Oh, there's emergency water down there. We've got some solutions and whatnot. I wonder, what is that? Oh, that's a fan that is operated via, you put it right on top here, and the heat induction causes the fan to spin. Pretty cool. Some speakers for audio, but my binoculars. But yeah, that's it, guys. Pretty much, it doesn't have that much room, but these lights work great. 100 watts, and they illuminate the whole thing up when you have it plugged in, and when you're camping. This thing also would run on a 2,000 watt generator comfortably, because you're really not powering too much. The fridge used to be here, and it's gone now. I don't need that when you're an ice chest. I can stop at a convenience store and fill it up anytime I need to. So yeah, that's it, guys. Got a lot of storage up front here. Got a couple of drawers, a couple of pockets there you can put stuff in. These windows are really big, all screened in. So yeah, tell me what you guys think, especially you, Larry. Is it the year 1961, or is it maybe a little bit older? I would have loved to have taken this to a vintage trailer expo when I lived in California, but of course I find out about that later. So yeah, hey guys, give me any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Hit that like button and that bell if you like videos like this and you want to keep up with what's going on the channel. And I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.